welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new ColourPop collab with Eva, I think her last name is Gutowski, but I could be wrong, but the Eva Gutowski collab. And then I'm also going to be reviewing these BH cosmetic brushes. They're really pretty, they're like a pink marbly color. If you guys didn't watch my unboxing video, this is what these brushes look like. They're beautiful and they just look so soft. So that is what this look will be on today. Just reviewing the little Mermaid Glow palette, little compact thing that they made, and then their vacation mode little 4 eyeshadow palettes, and then there are 3 lip colors. I'm only going to put one on and then I'll swatch the other 2 on my hands for you guys so you can see what they all look like. But yeah, so this is Olive, that little line, and then there's another palette that came in this collab, but it's like in a different pack, which has all the same stuff except the little 4-piece eyeshadow palettes are different. But I feel like the other palette, I have so many eyeshadows, the colors that are in that one, so I chose one that I did. So you'll see which one I chose in just a minute, but first I'm going to start with this cute little Mermaid Glow. It is so cute. So it has a blush and a highlight in it. The blush is called Siren and the highlight is Golden Hour. So I'm going to put the blush on first with this gigantic BH Cosmetics number 1 is what this brush is called. So it picks up a good amount of product. Jeez. And it really puts it on because it's super condensed. So I'm just going to blend this a little more. So that's this blush. It's very like pinky orangish. That's what the blush looks like. It's really cute. It goes on very well. It's super pigmented, so you don't need like a whole bunch of it. And then the brush also that I use is a little, I think, too condensed, but that's okay. Next I'm going to be using the number 3 brush for the highlight. I like this highlight. It's really cute. So I'll wear gold highlights once in a while. It just depends on how gold they are, and this one does well on my skin. So if you are paler and you're afraid to use a gold highlight, if you pick like a lighter gold, it like looks really nice, so it doesn't look like too overwhelming. So this one's like really like nice and light. It's not too gold. It looks really pretty. It glows nice and crazy. And like I said, with the blush, you don't need a lot of it, which is nice. So both of those so far are a win. Next is the little vacation mode palette. So these are the colors in this palette that I chose. They're a little more cool and the other palette is warm. So that's those colors, and they are called Round Trip, Mahalo, Teeny Bikini, and Shotgun. So I'm gonna start with Round Trip because it's this really pale one in the palette, and I'm just gonna base my whole lid with it. I'm just gonna use this little eyeshadow number 8 brush. So this has a nice like shimmer to it, and you can almost use this as a highlight even. Like super pretty. I really like this eyeshadow. It goes on really nice, and it blends onto the lid well, and a little of it goes a pretty long way, which is nice. This might just be one of my new favorite base eyeshadow colors. Next, I am going to take the color Mahalo, which is this pink color, and I'm just going to put that in my crease with a number 5 fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to take Shotgun, which is the really dark one in this palette, and I'm just going to put that below in the crease as well. I'm just taking a number 7 brush. And I'm just going to go back in with that first like pinky color, kind of blend those together. Alright, next I'm going to take Teeny Bikini, the little sparkly purple one, and I'm going to put that on my lid. So that is all the colors in this palette. I like how they blend. They all blend out really nice together. And they all go well together too, which is nice. Obviously I would hope so in one little palette, but they like all look really pretty together. I'm just going to take a little bit of that sparkly purple color and just put it under my lash line. Alright, and then I'm just going to take that first brush from the shadows and get the little bit of white and just kind of put that on the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna drag it down into the purple on the underside. And now we're gonna put on eyeliner really quick. Alright, eyeliner on. We'll do mascara real quick and we'll get to those lips. I'm just gonna have my eyeshadow touch my eyeliner. Okay, now I'm gonna line my lips real quick. Okay, my lip liner is on. And out of all these colors, I think I'm going to put on Love Bite. And then I'll swatch these two on my hand for you guys. And this is, I think they're all lip glosses, so here we go. I'm just even it all out with my little lip brush real quick. Alright, so that is that lip color. So that's the Love Bite. And then this gold color is Just Surfed. And it's like super, super sparkly. So that's Just Surfed by itself. And then Party Wave is like a deeper pinky color. Kind of like more warm, I guess. That's that one. And then I'll show you the one that's on my lips without the lip liner underneath it. That's that one. Right, I'm just going to glue my eyelashes on real quick and then this look will be completed. Alright, now let's set our beautiful makeup. And that is the final look with all the products. Here's what my eyes look like. A little bit closer. Yeah, so that is the final look. All the products are like really nice. My lips, I feel like this is a matte. So I don't think this was a lip gloss, but I like how it's drying down. It's like super creamy dry, if that makes any sense. Like it doesn't feel like my lips are being dehydrated to death like a lot of them do to my lips, just because my lips are extra chappy. And then the only one that doesn't seem to be drying down is this gold. Let's add a little bit to my lips, why not? It kind of seems like more of like a little bit of a topper, just the consistency of it. That totally changed this whole look. But for a lip gloss, it's not too sticky, which is good because I hate super sticky lip glosses. So from someone that doesn't love very many lip glosses, ColourPop makes good lip glosses. I don't feel like my lips are like stuck together and are never going to open again. So if you don't like lip gloss, maybe try out a ColourPop lip gloss because it feels really good on the lips. It's like really soft and creamy and not sticky, which is nice. And then the mattes dry down like really nice. Like it does not feel like your lips are becoming all crusty and dry and gross like some of them make them feel. So all the lip colors are bomb. The other one, that like more reddish pink color, the middle one right here, is also a matte. It's drying down. So those two are matte and this is the only lip gloss it seems like. The eyeshadow palette is so cute and the eyeshadow blends out so beautifully. It's amazing. So this is a really great little like traveling palette, hence vacation mode. You can travel with it, which is cool. And this little compact, this little mermaid glow is awesome because you have your blush and your highlight in one, which is cool. I also like that in both of these little tiny compacts, they included mirrors, because there are some things that don't have mirrors in it and that is just so inconvenient. So it's awesome because these aren't very expensive and they have mirrors in them, which is so cool. Because I know some places, like some companies don't always put mirrors in and the stuff is expensive and you're like, what the heck? So I really like that about those. These brushes are amazing. I don't have two of them down here, but this came in a set of 9 brushes. They're all like so soft and they don't shed, they don't fall apart. They're like super soft and they apply makeup very well. So if you guys are in the market for new brushes, BH has some really nice brushes. So you should totally check them out. And yeah, so everything from this collab is really nice and it's super affordable. I got the whole bundle for like 35 bucks and it would be like 40 if you bought them individually. And then if you bought the other little compact, obviously that's an extra 12. But yeah, everything's like super affordable. It's awesome. I would definitely recommend this to you guys. You should test it out, try it out, see if you like it. The colors are beautiful. I think they would look good on any skin tone. They did really well with this collab and I definitely really like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have these products, you should tell me which ones you got and if you like them or not in the comments below. And let me know what you guys want to see from me next. And that's all. Bye guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.